Hey everyone, my name is Luke from Archerwood's pre-owned menswear and vintage watch store. 99% of my wardrobe is pre-owned items or vintage, and the biggest bane of my existence is bad smells. If you're buying clothes pre-owned and they come in a little musty smell, if it's an old vintage jacket, even if it's just a damp smell you get from not drying out your clothes properly, bad smell ruins the outfit. You can try many things. Baking soda is often touted as something good, white vinegar. There's a lot of little ways to remove odours, and some of them are more effective than others. There are plenty of over-the-counter sort of things you can buy, but there's one secret ingredient I rely on to clean both delicate items that can't go in the washing machine and ones that just stink. We've all been there. We've put on a load of laundry, you go about your day and you're rudely interrupted in the middle of the night by an impenetrable thought. You forgot to hang out those damn clothes. A disaster. So there's one tip that comes straight out of theatre production. Those guys, they have to wear their costumes day in, day out, sometimes twice a day, and there's no time to get them cleaned or dry cleaned. And there's one secret ingredient they always use, and that's a bottle of vodka. It doesn't have to be frozen like this, it just comes straight out of my freezer, but any old cheap vodka, as long as it's high alcohol content and not flavoured and full of sugar, that will work. So you just whack it in one of these little spray guns and don't dilute it, just pure vodka, and spray it over the item. It should remove the odour, it also cleans it, antibacterial, kills all of those germs, and leaves it with a nice little vodka smell. I like the vodka smell personally. I use it as well for really delicate and fine jumpers, wool jumpers. It's a great way of cleaning those, sometimes denim as well. In fact, it's great at just removing bacteria, removing bad odours, and a super cheap and easy solution. If this was helpful to you, please like and subscribe. We've got more tips coming up on how to maintain, repair and clean clothes. Check out the store, archerwoods.com, for pre-owned menswear and vintage watches. They all smell pretty damn good, to be honest. And if you have any questions, let us know. It's at Archerwoods on socials, just DM me, and look forward to hearing from you. Cheers.